Lauren with Wood Grain, and today we're going to show you how to transform your space with a framed wallpaper accent wall. I'm here with Pete from Wood Grain. Pete, do you want to tell us a little bit about the design that we're doing today?
Yes, so we're going to combine two things that you, Lauren, love: accent walls and wallpaper. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 6 panel frames on top, smaller ones, and then 2 larger ones at the bottom. And then inside those frames, we're going to actually put some wallpaper that you're going to choose.
So what does the process look like?
Well, today we're going to use 210 shingle molding, which you can find at Home Depot. It's a nice general purpose molding. We're going to do our painting first, make our cuts, then install it, caulk it, let that dry, and then we'll install the wallpaper inside the panel frames.
Awesome, let's get started. This design looks so elegant and classy. Are there any tips and tricks that you have?
Yeah, absolutely. So the great thing about this design here is no matter size your wall, you can adapt it how many panels you want to the size of it. But one thing you're going to do is beforehand, measure things out, take a blocked piece of scrap wood, measure it out the distance you need between the panels, as you see like this, and it just makes the installation go a lot faster and you're way more consistent. So that's a great tip to do.
This accent wall turned out amazing. I love the wallpaper. Do you have any final tips?
Yeah, so the great thing about this design is you can personalize it with wallpaper however you want. So installation, pretty easy on the wallpaper front. You're going to want to cut it, but cut it a little longer than actual panels. We'll come to that later. Then you're going to want to apply the glue on the back side, then put it against the wall, smooth it out, and then use a razor to cut out the edges so it fits perfectly within that framing. Guess what? You got a beautiful wall.
That install process was actually pretty easy. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and follow us at We Are Wood Grain on all platforms.
All right, that was a fun one.